Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we have 2x dx because we don't have 8b and number 2. So we divide both sides by 16b for the both sides. So this one we change by u. S dx we change by this one. So the integration of cosine u, we have sine u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.